வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம TNPSC Group1 உள்ள ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நம்ம பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அதில் இந்த எபிசோடில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா 2019 TNPSC Group1 கேள்விகள் கேட்கப்பட்ட இந்தியன் பாலிட்டி, அதாவது இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பில் உள்ள கேள்விகள். சரிங்களா? மொத்தம் 27 கேள்விகள் உள்ளன. பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். creamy layer concept was first introduced in the case of A. Lakshmikant Shukla versus State of Uttar Pradesh, B. Indira Sahni versus Union of India, C. K.K. Roy versus State of Tripura, D. Jitendra Kumar versus State of Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is B. Indira Sahni versus Union of India. Second question. Which of the following statements about the first amendment to the Constitution are true? 1. The first amendment was enacted in 1952. The first amendment was enacted before the first general elections. 3. It was enacted by the provisional parliament. A. 1 and 2 are true. B. 2 and 3 are true. C. 1 and 3 are true. D. 1, 2 and 3 are true. The correct answer is B. 2 and 3 are true. Third question. Financial control exercised by the Parliament over the executive through A. Controller and Auditor General of India, B. Auditor General, C. the Finance Secretary, D. the Accountant General. The correct answer is A. the Controller and Auditor General of India. Fourth question. The Controller and Auditor General is appointed by the President of India under which article? A. Article 162, B. Article 148, C. Article 153, D. Article 174. The correct answer is B. Article 148. Fifth question. Consider the following statements. 1. Article 308 to 314 of the Constitution with regard to All India services. 2. Article 308 exclusively applies to the J&K. 3. The Parliament has enacted All India Service Act in 1952. 4. Article 312 empowers the Parliament to create new All India services. Choose the correct answer. A. 1 and 4, B. 2 only, C. 4 only, D. 4, 1, 3 only. The correct answer is A. 1 and 4 only. Sixth question. Article dash is inserted into the Constitution under the 73rd Constitutional Amendment. A. 245B, B. 244B, C. 243B, D. 242B. The correct answer is C. 243B. Seventh question. Who among the following was the cabinet minister without portfolio? A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. T.T. Krishnamachari, C. N. Kobalasamy Iyengar, D. G.L. Nanda. The correct answer is C. N. Kobalasamy Iyengar. Eighth question. Which one of the following statements is not with regard to the powers of the Parliament? A. Parliament can approve 3 types of emergency provisions. B. It cannot abolish state legislative council. C. It can alter boundaries of the states. D. It can establish a common high court for 2 or more states. The correct answer is B. It cannot abolish state legislative council. Ninth question. Jallikattu, the bull taming sport of Tamil culture and tradition, is protected according to Article dash of the Constitution of India. A. 29.1, B. 39.1, C. 49.1, D. 59.1. The correct answer is A. 29.1. Tenth question. Who headed the Provisional Constitution Committee of the Constitution Assembly? A. J.B. Kripalani, B. H.C. Mukherjee, C. A.V. Thakkar, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The correct answer is D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 11th question. Who among the following was not a member of drafting committee? A. K. Munshi, B. Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, C. Batami Sitaramaiya, D. Krishnamachari. The correct answer is C. Batami Sitaramaiya. 12th question. 1. Constitution is the source of and not exercise of legislative power. 2. Constitution springs from belief in limited government. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is C. both 1 and 2. 13th question. Which committee was appointed in 1986 to deal with the revitalization of Panchayat Raj institution for democracy and development? A. Ashok Mehta Committee, B. G.V.K. Rao Committee, C. L.M. Singhvi Committee, D. Santanam Committee. The correct answer is C. L.M. Singhvi Committee. 14th question. Who said the district administration is a total management of public affairs? A. S.S. Keda, B. Ramsay McDonald, C. Warren Hastings, D. Anumanda Rao. The correct answer is A. S.S. Keda. 15th question. Match the following schedule and subject. First schedule, division of powers between the union and states. B. 11th schedule, languages. 7th schedule, names and states of union territories. 8th schedule, panchayats. So correct answer is A. 3, 4, 1, 2. That's first schedule is names of states and union territories. 11th schedule, panchayat. That's 4. C. 7th schedule, that's a division of powers between union and states. D. 8th schedule, it's languages. 16th question. Person, eminent field and designation. A. Abid Hussain, former Attorney General of India. E. K. Parasaran, former ambassador to the USA. C. Subhas Kashyap, former judge of AP High Court. D. K. Punnaya, former Secretary General of Lok Sabha. The correct answer is D. 2, 1, 4, 3. So it's Abid Hussain. He was former ambassador of India to USA. K. Parasaran, former Attorney General of India. Subhas Kashyap, former Secretary General of Lok Sabha. K. Punnaya, former Judge of High Court, AP High Court. 17th question. The judiciary was separated from executive under which article? A. Article 50, B. Article 64, C. Article 60, D. Article 51. The correct answer is A. Article 50. 18th question. The essence of judicial activism is an A. Active justice delivery system, B. Active implementation of rule of law, C. Active interpretation of law, D. Active intervention of judiciary. The correct answer is A. Active justice delivery system. 19th question. Balwant Mehta Committee in its report suggested A. 3-tier system, B. 1-tier system, C. 4-tier system, D. 2-tier system. The correct answer is A. 3-tier system. 20th question. Name the Prime Minister when, for the first time, the no conference was moved in the Parliament. A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Lal Bahadur Shastri, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Morarji Desai. The answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. 21st question. Which of the following statements regarding the fundamental duties contained in the Constitution of India are correct? 1. Fundamental duties have formed part of the Constitution of India since its adoption. 2. Fundamental duties are applicable only to the citizen of India. 3. Fundamental duties have become part of the Constitution of India in accordance with the recommendation of the Suren Singh Committee. 4. Fundamental duties can be enforced through writ jurisdiction. The answers are A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. B. 1, 2, 4 are correct. C. 2 and 3 are correct. D. 3 and 4 are correct. The correct answer is C. 2 and 3 are correct. 22nd question. The mandate of Official Language Commission under Article 344 is or 1. The progressive use of Hindi language for official purpose of the Union. 2. Restriction of the use of English language for the official purpose of the Union. Choose the correct statement. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, D. neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is D. neither 1 nor 2. 23rd question. The word socialist and secular were added to the preamble of the Constitution by 1. The Constitution Amendment, First Amendment 1950. B. The Constitution 16th Amendment Act 1963. C. The Constitution 41st Amendment Act 1976. D. The Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976. The right answer is D. The Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976. 24th question. Who among the following is associated with the Pura model? A. Dr. M. S. Swaminathan, B. Dr. B.J. Abdul Kalam, C. M. N. Rai, D. B.S. Minas. The correct answer is B. Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. 25th question. Which of the following group constituted the State Reorganization Commission? A. Panikkar, Fasal Ali, Kajju. B. Fasal Ali, Panikkar, Kunsru. C. Dar, Fasal Ali, Panikkar. D. Kunsru, Kajju, Thar. The correct answer is B. Fasal Ali, Panikkar, Kunsru. 26th question. Which statue is called Statue of Unity? A. Statue of Liberty. B. Statue of Mahatma Gandhi. C. Statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Statue of A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. The correct answer is C. Statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 27th question. Jagdeep Singh versus State of Haryana 2007 is a case related to A. Electoral reform. B. Election Commission. C. Members, MLAs and MPs support from outside. D. Criminalization of politics. The correct answer is C. Members, MLAs, MPs supports from outside. So thank you very much. So we'll see in the next video in some other subject. So few more episodes in Indian polity is there. Thank you very much again.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.